While central Illinois got some snow yesterday, it was nothing like this. There's a state of emergency in New York City due to the first nor'easter of 2021. More than 100 million Americans are under some sort of winter weather advisory, with possible record-breaking snowfall by tomorrow. 12 to 18 inches of snow and wind gusts of 45 to 50 miles per hour could blast the city. A hazardous travel advisory is in place through Tuesday. And yeah, the snow totals definitely didn't add up to that much in central Illinois yesterday. Here's a look at some of those reports that came in during the course of the day yesterday. Tuscola and Urbana, some of the higher numbers with 2 inches. Just to the west of Marshall, there was a report of 1 inch and 8/10. And in Charleston, this observation was at 6 o'clock last night, 1.5 inches, so there might have been just a little bit more that fell after that. And then Casey, 1 inch of snow. So added a little more slick spots to the area last night if you were out and about traveling. But luckily, some sunshine today helped improve those conditions. Here's a look at the satellite and radar loop, and you can see that nor'easter out here behind me affecting portions of New York all the way down to the D.C. and up into Boston, seeing a lot of heavy snow in those areas. Already seen some reports over 2 feet of snow in New Jersey. So quite a bit of snow falling out there. But here at home, we are quieting down. You can see the closest the snow is out across portions of Ohio. But back here at home, we are starting to see a break in the cloud cover, so that allowed what snow we fell yesterday to melt off the roadways, which was definitely a welcome sight. But there is some more cloud cover out to our west, so we could see some more clouds move in here as we go into the overnight hours. Now the sunshine, we will be noticing more of it as long as we can keep it out of the clouds as we go through the month of February. Our sunrise this morning was just before 7 o'clock. By the time we get to the end of the month, it'll be before 6:30. So we're going to pick up 1 hour and 4 minutes of daylight over the course of this short month. So that's also definitely a welcome sight. You've probably already noticed the daylight increasing over the month of January, and we're going to continue that trend as we head through this month. However, it does remain very cold out there across central Illinois. Temperatures are in the 30s to upper 20s, but feeling worse than that when you factor in the wind. Currently 30 in Charleston with wind chill of 18, feeling like 19 in Champaign, and it feels like 17 degrees over in Paris. And those colder feel-like temperatures is thanks to this northwest wind that's coming in here anywhere from about 10 to 20 miles an hour across parts of central Illinois. And that's going to continue, so we're expecting another cold day as we get into tomorrow. However, we are going to expect a little bit more in the way of sunshine for our Tuesday. We'll put FUTURECAST into motion through the rest of the night tonight. You can see the cloud cover building back in, especially across our western areas. And as we get into tomorrow, we could see more of that cloud cover streaming through, but we will see some sunshine over the course of our Tuesday as well. Unfortunately, not going to help us out too much when it comes to our temperatures. We're expecting highs only to make it back around the freezing mark once again. And with that wind still blowing out there, we're going to see wind chills down in the teens to start the day, and they only make it up into the lower 20s. So going to be above freezing, but going to be feeling much colder than that again tomorrow across central Illinois. So I'll skip ahead and get into Thursday. Now this is our next chance for precipitation. We could see a little bit of a wintry mix or some snow on the leading edge of this system as we get into Thursday morning, but will mostly be rain over the course of the day. We'll see highs making it warm enough above freezing that we do see mostly rain with this system. Could be a soggy day on Thursday with those rain showers lingering over the course of most of the day. But as you'll notice on the backside of the system, as colder air works back through, we could see some snow on the back edge of that system as the cold front comes through. So that is going to be giving us a shot of a quick dose of accumulating snow, but nothing too major out there. The main story is going to be the cold air that follows it. We'll see the first blast of cold air on Friday, but the bigger cold air comes in here as we get into today on Saturday. You'll see it dive out of Canada. It's going to be some sub-zero temperatures as we get into Sunday morning. So we're definitely going to be feeling an Arctic blast with wind chills much colder than that because it is going to be windy as we go through the course of the weekend, so do get ready for those cold temperatures. For tonight, we're expecting a cold night, not as cold as it will be, down to 21 degrees, partly cloudy skies, northwest wind gusting up to 20 miles an hour. For tomorrow, we'll see highs just above freezing with partly sunny skies, but with those winds still in place, going to be feeling worse. But notice the winds out of the south, so that means some warmer temperatures as we go over the next couple days. You can see that as we get into Thursday, we'll make it up into the 40s as those rain showers move through. The first cold front drops us down into the teens and then to 30 on Friday. Maybe see another little round of snow Friday night into Saturday. A high of only 25 on Saturday, but temperatures dropping throughout the day. A low down below 0. And then Sunday, right now looking the best we can do is a high of 7 degrees, and that may be optimistic with the way some forecast models look.